Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by listing the functions and their domains so you know what you can and cannot plot. Next, identify the type, linear, quadratic, exponential, absolute, because each has predictable shapes. Once done, compute intercepts and any obvious critical points. These are your anchor marks. Make sure to simplify expressions and factor where possible, since factoring reveals zeros quickly. Do this now and you'll have the initial framework to sketch reliably. You now examine how each function behaves between anchors, compute slopes or first derivatives to locate turning points and monotonic intervals. Also check end behavior and any horizontal or vertical asymptotes, because those guide your far left and far right sketching. Once you understand each piece, combine them, adding shifts, multiplying stretches, dividing creates asymptotes, adjust anchors accordingly. Make sure to mark intervals where the function is undefined. You finish by drawing the curve through your anchors, matching curvature to slopes and respecting asymptotes. Use smooth connections for continuous parts and clear breaks for discontinuities. Once drawn, verify by plugging a few x values into the original functions to confirm y values match the sketch. If something looks off, recheck algebra, domain restrictions, and any lost negative signs. Those are common errors. Keep a small table of checked points. It's a quick troubleshooting habit that saves time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.